What's up guys, welcome back to the Nuts and Bolts Auto channel, and today we're gonna glue back my Ford Emblem. It fell off my Ranger and I was kind of lucky to see because it was like basically just hanging by a thread. Anyway, so there's a bunch of, I don't know if this is adhesive or the gasket on the back, but we're gonna have to take that off and clean this up before gluing it back. This is the adhesive that I'm going to be using, the 3M plastic emblem and trim adhesive. Funnily enough, it says that it can attack or damage some automotive surfaces, so I guess you just got to be careful what you use it on. But I'm just going to go ahead and try it out. I'm going to take all this off and then just apply a thin coat all the way around the circle, and hopefully that works. Now that we got most of the adhesive off, I'm spraying this glue remover on top of it, and I'm just going to let it sit for a while to remove the rest of the adhesive. So most of it is coming off. I think I'm going to do it again a second time. Okay, so with most of the adhesive off, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the Ranger and take off the adhesive so we can just glue this back in there. I can kind of feel that this is oily because of the glue away thing, and it says to wash it off after you've used it. I'm guessing it's to get this oil residue off, and that'd be a good idea so this thing has a better time sticking to it. Okay, so I washed off the emblem. It doesn't feel oily anymore, and now it's time to get started on the Ranger. Now that I've got all the gasket material off, I'm going to spray it with the glue away and try to knock off the adhesive. So it's going to take a few passes with the glue away. You're supposed to wait about 4 to 8 minutes in between every time for the adhesive remover to do his job. So just keep going until there's no adhesive left. Once you've got all the adhesive off, go ahead and wash off the truck. Wipe it down till it's clean. With the area washed off, make sure you dry everything. Now grab your adhesive, pop it open, and then I'm gonna run a bead. Whoa, that's very thick. Gonna run a bead all the way around. Now this thing was extremely fluid, so it's a little more than I would like it. I'm gonna pull off from the corners because I know they're gonna get squished. Now that you got this, go ahead and put it back on the truck. Even though I took it off the sides, it still managed to squeeze out, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean anything that spilled out of it. And it says to hold it in place for half an hour with masking tape. So here we are a while later. Should be ready to go. And there it is. Good as new. So now you guys know how to change an emblem or replace an emblem on your car. And on this one, it was a bit easier because it had those little pins on the back to hold itself in. Without those pins, you would have to just hold it up with the tape, just the way I did. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and all them other goodies. Thank you.